fool my baby, pepe, eh, pepe. Come on now. Sugar, sugar, eh, sugar, sugar. I fool my blood, oh, pepe, baby, pepe. Come on now. Sugar, sugar, eh, sugar, sugar. I got. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of seeing my video, please kindly click the red button down there and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. So I go by the name Oluwafunmilayo Anifowose, aka your baby girl Nestor, aka your favorite last born, aka can your last born be this pretty? So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please share my video, share it to your boyfriend, your ex, your girlfriend, your daddy, your mommy, your brother, your uncle, your cousin, your nieces, your nephews. Please share my video and comment and subscribe. Help my ministry, help my career. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. If you know you're a last born like me, please keep subscribing. If you're a subscriber already, I love you guys. Thank you. For those who watch my video, I really do appreciate you guys. I really do appreciate you. God bless you. Keep watching, keep subscribing. So they say people they talk small talk, you thought they talk too much. Fame, gossip. Talk. They say, she say, who say, they can't say, I can't say, who they talk can. So my topic today is all about gossip. So what prompts this topic, this thing I want to talk about, this gossip issue? Some days ago, someone called me. Somebody actually called me and said, Fumi, see what this person talk. Look at what they said about you. I just hung up the call because I feel like, what did I want to say to this person? For them to be able to say some things about me around you, that means you guys are birds of the same feather. You guys are the same thing. So why am I making this video actually is to encourage someone out there that you should never let what anybody says get to you. And this is me getting to this point of my life where I don't care about what people say. You know, it's not that at times I don't think about it, or they don't get me angry, they don't get me angry, I don't get annoyed about these things. Yes, but I don't let it take the best of me anymore. Or like before, when I hear someone say something about me, I would rather start insulting that person or saying one thing to let that person know that okay, I get what you talk, oh, sure you understand. And this is, let's say, years of working on myself, not letting what anybody says matters. You understand? Because if they don't talk about you, then who are you? Who are you? And this person calling me to tell me this is, I'm just wondering, this thing that they are saying, I know they do. This is not me. You don't understand. So let me just give you this. Just look at it this way. When a mother gives birth to a child, aside from the child walking, crawling, eating, crying, being happy, what else do they look up to? Every mother look up to for her child to talk. Did you get that? They look up to that child to talk. So if a mother is only looking up for her child to talk, not for that child not to be dumb or deaf, then you should know people will keep talking. People have been talking before you were born, and people will still talk after you are gone. When you are normal, people will still keep talking. So just put that in your head that there is nothing you want to do. People must talk. People must gossip about you. Not everybody will like you. Not everybody will say good things about you. And for instance, just imagine something that when people talk about you and you just want to respond to everything, then how many people will you respond to? How many people would you fight? People will keep gossiping, people will keep talking. Be careful the kind of friends you keep. Except you don't want to be anybody in this life. As for your living, people will talk about you. So don't let it get you. This 2021, stay positive. Father, connect me with people that matter in my matter. That is my own, with my destiny helper. Any other talkative is just a noise maker. God has the final say on me. Did you get? Like, don't let it get, as in, I'm surprised I'm even the one saying this, because now I just free my spirit. I free my spirit. I don't even care about what anybody says about me anymore, because at the end of the day, I don't get the amount. If they don't talk about me, then who am I? You understand? And I want to beg you people that are doing amebo like that, for me this, for me that, you people should talk about my YouTube channel, share my videos. It's very, very important. You guys get? It's very, very, very important. So let's stay positive this 2021. You see, talk, they talk for you, they say this. No let them get to you, because if you do good, they go talk. If you do bad, they go talk. You where they call tell me, say your person where they call me to call you, say that they talk about you. Be careful of that person as well, because he joined them. That them, they are all friends. She joined them, he joined them. So don't let what people are saying, don't let gossip get to you. Maybe say you can't a para, you can't a fire, you can't do this one, you can't do that one. Yes, I'm like I used to say on my Facebook. If you are my fan and you're following me on Facebook, you know I say 2021. I say what is on my mind. I don't have time to edit. You understand? I will say what's on my mind. I will vent on my page, write anything I want to write there. But I will not come and start fighting anybody. Say, you talk, say, she, I do say, you talk, say, I do say, you talk, say, I do say, because it's already, I don't hear the some kind talk around me already, but I'm just staying positive. As in, they shock them, I didn't even look at them, I say something about it. Because now, I get when I'm out. After you people finish talking, you people will keep quiet. So why should I be bothered? Why should I worry myself? People will keep talking. They will keep saying things that you don't do. So what will you do? Will you kill yourself? You can't kill yourself. If you just say that anybody says anything about you, please, my dear sister and brothers, just drink water and be glowing like me, like this. Be glowing. Be glowing. Because they must talk. People must talk. They must say, oh, she back on. They must say, oh, she awoken. So, to my lovely viewers, let's stay positive this 2021. No let gossip talk get to you, because people will keep talking. After you die, after I die, they will still talk. People wey they born today, they go still talking matter. People wey don't die, they don't talk their matter. If they don't talk about you, then you are nobody. You understand? I just feel to drop this here. Because when the person comments, for me, they talk, they say, you do this. I'm just like, yeah, me know, as in, me. Now me do all this kind of thing where they talk. So I was shocked, lies to my bone. Like, it shook me. We pay for me, and you do this kind of thing, but I did not do it though. You know, so let's just stay positive. Positive is the key. Positive vibe should be our motto this 2021. Don't let anybody get to you. Don't let what they say get to you. You understand? So guys, that's what I came up with, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed. And please guys, keep subscribing to my YouTube channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a brother to tell a friend that you guys should subscribe on my YouTube channel. I love you guys. Bye bye.